A water spring is like nature's magic fountain, bubbling up fresh, clean water from the ground. It starts deep beneath the earth, where water collects and finds its way to the surface through cracks in rocks.
This was a little preview of what we are going to generate in CapCut and other AI tools. So let's start today's video. First, open ChatGPT, write a prompt to get a paragraph from ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT generates the prompt, copy the prompt. After copying it, open the new tab and search for 11 Labs. Open the first site and make an account on it. If you don't have one, I already have an account, and that's why I will move on. Now paste the script that we created in ChatGPT and click on Generate. The voice will be generated. After downloading voice, go to Adobe Express, where we will create the animation. Now choose a character from these characters and adjust it. Also select green background. I like this character, so I will get this. You can select whatever you like. Now adjust it as you need. Scroll upward and click on the background. Here you can select any background. Now open new tab and search for Vecteezy, where you can download animated background. Now search for animated background, and as you find one, download it. I like this one, so I will simply download this and one more. After downloading it, open CapCut and import all the materials that we downloaded. Now drag the animated video to the timeline and set the green screen video as layer. Choose YouTube ratio here, and now make copies of the animated video. Now select the green screen video and go to Remove Background and select green color and remove it. Now scale it properly where you want it. So I will scale it here and leave it. As
A
you
water
can see,
spring
our
is
video
like
is ready.
nature's magic fountain, bubbling up fresh, clean water from the ground. It starts deep beneath the earth, where water collects and finds its way to the surface through cracks in rocks.
Enjoyed watching the video or it was helpful to you by any means. So please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay tuned for the next update. See you in the next video.